Today, we will make a very tasty paratha filled with spinach and chicken. It's really soft and delicious. And it is filled in properly so that you can get the filling in each bite. Welcome to Suzacs, the world of simple quick recipes. First of all, we will make the chicken ready for the filling. For that, I took 200 grams of boneless chicken and cut it into small pieces and then marinated it with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and then add it to a pan with little oil and saute it well. Now cover and cook it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, now the meat is cooked well and keep it aside to cool. Now mince the meat in a blender for just 10 to 15 seconds. You can see that it's minced really well, and make sure that there are no lumps. Now prepare the dough for paratha. For an easy preparation, please check out our previous video. The link is given above. Now we can prepare the filling. For that, pour oil onto a heated pan and add 2 chopped onions and saute it really well. Now add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and mix well. Now add the minced chicken. Mix it. Add 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala. Mix it well and then add 100 grams of finely chopped fresh spinach. Add salt and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is mixed well. Now check the salt and add if it is required. So our filling is ready. Now remove it from heat and let it cool. Now we can make the parathas. Our dough is really soft. Now make somewhat big uniform sized balls and keep them close, not to dry out. And roll them by dipping in the flour. Now add the sufficient filling to the center, around 2 to 3 teaspoons, and fold it from outside to the center. And rotate the top and pinch off the excess. Dust it with a little bit of flour. Apply even pressure and roll the parathas to get uniform thickness. Don't make it too thin. If it is sticking, just sprinkle a little bit of flour in between. You can also roll the parathas by pressing the top without pinching the excess dough, as you can see here. Now place the stuffed paratha on a heated pan. Flip each side quickly in around 1 minute each so that it doesn't get dried up. Apply a little bit of butter or ghee. Now the paratha is ready. Now you can remove it from the pan. So our stuffed parathas are ready. It's really soft and delicious. It's not that thin, it's really thick, and it has a uniform filling. You can serve it with yogurt or pickle. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and see you with the next video. Bye.